Hello and welcome everybody. So today I'm going to show you that how you can install Ubuntu 24.4 in VMware Workstation. So how you can do that? Okay, first of all, open the VMware. If you do not have installed your VMware, how you can install VMware? I have already make a video, so you can check out. Okay, so first of all, open the VMware, and if you already download the Ubuntu operating system iOS file, it's all right. And if you don't have downloaded ISO file, you can just open this link I will provide in the description, and you can download from here. Okay, download the ISO file. Okay, it's 5.9 GB. Okay, so just download it, and now let's go to VMware. In the VMware, I'm using the 17 version, so you can see VMware. Click on file and go to new virtual machine. Okay, if you press Ctrl and you will open the tab. Okay, click on new virtual machine, and now you can see the wizard here. Okay, I have already created some machines, but you can see here. Okay, already. Okay, so go with the typical option and click next. Now in this option, I will select the I will install operating system later. Okay, so go to with the I'll go with this option. Okay, you can select other option, but I think you should prefer the I will install operating system later. Okay, so click next. Now here you have to select your operating system. So I select Linux and select here Ubuntu 64. Okay, so you can select other versions. There are lots of versions here. Okay, so I select Ubuntu 64 bit. Okay, so let's click next. And here this is the very important part of our configuration, that where you want to store this machine image. Okay, so the name is Ubuntu 24.4. Okay, I will change the name, and I will change also the location. Okay, so where I want to store this image. Okay, so let's see virtual के अंदर VMware. Here I create a new folder. It's called Ubuntu 16.4 24.4. Okay, so that's it. I'll create the folder and I'll select the folder, and now you can see E drive VMware Ubuntu 24. Okay, so this is the image folder. Okay, so just click next. You can change the image folder whenever you want, where you want. Okay, so click next. Okay, here this is the most important thing, that the maximum disk space, where how much disk space you want to give. Okay, I'll assign 25 GB. Okay, so and this is the other most important thing, that store virtual disk as a single file. I'll select this because if you split the file, the configuration very. So I'll select the store a single file. Okay, click next, and now you can see the all configuration here. But we go to the customized hardware. Okay, here the customized hardware, you can select the RAM preference. Okay, I'll provide the 8 GB RAM. Okay, and processor, you can provide processor. I provide a 2 processor 2x2. Okay, and this is the most important thing, new CD DVD. Okay, here you have to select your ISO file. Okay, use ISO file. Okay, so click browse, and here I have already downloaded my ISO file. You can see Ubuntu 24.3. Okay, so this image. So how you can download, I have already created a video, and you can go to the link. Okay, so open it. Okay, so I have attached the image file. Okay, and in the network configuration, if you want to run the internet, you can use this bridge option. Okay, click the bridge option. It will create it will make sure that this machine will be a part of your real network. Okay, so I don't want to check so just I'll go with without internet connection. I'll go with without internet connection, or I say I'll check it. Okay, just go with it. Okay, so I'll select the bridge and connect power on. Okay, and most of all it's okay. Okay, and also just close it. Okay, here, and I have configured my some configurations, and I'll finish it. Okay, now I have finished the configuration. Now you can see we have our new virtual machine here. We have to turn on and do other configuration and virtual machines configuration. So do the configuration with Ubuntu. Okay, so let's turn on it. I've turned on the machine. You can see here, and here we have some option. Try and install Ubuntu safe and physical and test. And I'll just zoom it. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now you can see. Okay, So I'll go with try or install Ubuntu. Okay, so just enter. Now you can see these options are very important, so let's go with it. Okay, now we are here. Okay, so we have to select our language. Let's suppose English. Okay, we go with English. Okay, choose your language. I have selected the English and click next. Okay, now it asks for some configuration. Okay, let's go with next. Okay, and it asks for your keyword language. I'll go with English US. Okay, so click next. And I prefer without internet connection, so do not connect to internet. Okay, so I'll check this option and click next. And here we have two options. If you try Ubuntu, you can try it. Okay, directly you can try it, and also you can install Ubuntu. So I'll go with install Ubuntu and click next. Okay, would you like to install Ubuntu? Automatic installation and interactive installation. So interactive for users who want to be guided by step through the installation, or automatic installation for advanced users who have auto installed YML or consistent repeatable system updates. So I'll go with interactive installation. Okay, and click next. And what app would you like to install and start? Okay, extended standard or default selection. I'll go with default selection. Okay, and here install recommended priority software. Okay, install third party software or graphical. Okay, you can download other additional. Okay, I don't want to install anything else. Okay, so install third party software, graphical and Wi-Fi hardware. Okay, I don't want to use any of them. Okay, so I'll just go click next. You can check it if you want to. Okay, here how do you want to install Ubuntu? Okay, so erase disk and install Ubuntu. If you select the erase disk, it will erase my 25 GB space that I have already given it. Okay, so if you go with manual selection, you can select with manual, but I'll go with erase disk Ubuntu. Okay, so next it asks me for my username, my name and computer name, and also my username, password, and let me fill the information. Okay, Raj. Okay, I have provided the computer name, VM virtual platform. Let me change the computer name, or I'll go with it. No, I'll just go with it. Okay, and provide the password. Okay. Okay, I have provided my password, and you can see here. Okay, I have provided the password, and use Active Directory. I don't have Active Directory, so I'll go with require my password to login. Okay, so click next. And here you can select the location. I have already selected Asia Kolkata. Okay, so click next. Here this is the review part. I'll go with just install. Okay, it will take little bit time, so wait and watch. It asked me for remove the installation media. Okay, so let's do it and enter. Okay, so because we do not reinstall with installation media, so I've just click the enter. Okay, if you install with USB, you have to remove it and then click enter. Okay, okay, now you can see we have a login page. Okay, here. Okay, I'll provide the password, and now you can see our desktop is prepared. Okay, so next, skip, next, finish. Okay, now we are ready for using Ubuntu 24. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.